Okay, I am live. And I'm going to continue making this alien invasion game. Lower the volume on the music there a little bit. Alright. So I've got... Well, it's across a bunch of different files, but for now I've got this. If I run it... There we go. Okay. Oh, that's interesting. So, I just noticed this. I just wanted to bring this up just to show what we've got so far, but... Okay, that's really weird. It goes really fast, but if I fire something, it doesn't go fast anymore. See if it... Yep, see, as soon as the bullets or missiles or whatever we're calling them, I think we're calling them bullets, are off the screen, it's fast, but as soon as I fire one, and I'm not sure if that's because I did something wrong or if it's supposed to be like that for now. Yeah, interesting. I don't know, but I'm just gonna keep going forward, and we'll see how this turns out. Not that I'll finish tonight, but I'm gonna see. Let's see, how long is this chapter? This chapter is, let's see, page 256 to 278. So that's like 20 pages. That's a lot. I guess it depends on how long I'm here. Alright, I'm just gonna get into it though. And let's restart the shell to get rid of that. Okay. Alright, creating the first alien. Placing one alien on the screen is like placing a ship on the screen. Each alien's behavior is controlled by a class called alien, which will structure like the ship class. We'll continue. Oh, excuse me, I'm sorry. We'll continue using bitmap images for simplicity. And then it's just telling me where I can get those images again, but I'm pretty sure I have them all downloaded already. Actually, I should find that folder. Okay. Let's see, we're in chapter 13. I'm just gonna get that picture right now. Ripple Pro says yo yo yo, and Demise is waving hi or hello. Hello Ripple Pro and hello Demise. How are you both doing this lovely evening? Okay, I have the alien image in the images folder already, which I'm guessing I'll be using. I can move it around if it doesn't belong there, but alright, pretty well just getting my roast ready. Ripple Pro the comedian will be here soon, I guess. Demise. Doing fine, how are you? I'm okay. I'm okay. Just, I don't have to work tomorrow, which is nice. So, I'm probably going to go a little too late with this. So, we'll see what happens. Okay. So, it looks like first thing we got to do is make a new file. We're gonna call it alien dot. Oh, I need to hit save as first. Okay. He's okay, but he's really stressed because he's got to work on Tuesday. I'm not stressed out about that right now. But okay. All right. Import. So we're creating the alien class right now. So I have something to shoot. I have no idea what that emoji is. Seems good. It is good. And why am I getting paged? That has nothing to do with me, so I'm ignoring that. Okay. All right, so creating the alien class. Oh my goodness, what is going on? It still has nothing to do with me. Okay. Wait, am I doing the same? Yep, that's wrong. Almost there. Okay. Now I just gotta save it. And we have the alien class. And now we need to put this in the alien invasion file. So, let me just minimize this. So from bullet, import bullet. Okay, now we just need to add from alien import alien. And here's the updated init method. So after self.bullets, we need a self.aliens equals higint sprite.group. And it wants another line that's self.create fleet. And now we need to add or define a create fleet. Which I'm guessing I just need to add at the bottom. It's not really. We create a group to hold the fleet of aliens and we call it create fleet. Which we're about to write. Yeah, this says nothing about where to place it. I'm just going to assume I'm just going to add it at the end after all this. So def create fleet. Okay. Oh, there's more. Okay, so this wants us to add to the update screen. Let's draw bullets. Okay, so I need to add self.aliens.draw. Okay, this is making me think that. See, they just say add this code, but they say absolutely no idea where to put it. But now this next bit is making me think it should come before this. So, you know what? I'm just gonna cut that and let's put it here. Let's see. There was a way to do this. Format, indent region. There we go. Okay, let's save it like that, and hopefully that's what it should look like. I'm gonna run it. Let's see what happens. And we've got errors. Okay. Let's see, I'm gonna restart the shell. This is saying line 17 in alien. Where did that file go? Edit, go to line 17. Okay, self.rec.x equals self.rec.with. Did I not spell with correctly? It looks right to me. What the hell's wrong with it? Oh. I see spelling error here, but I'm sure that's not the problem. That's a comment. Okay, so you know what, I'm just going to reference the files I downloaded to see if I just put this thing in the wrong spot. That's probably all it is. So if we go down to Oh my goodness. I see it. I found it. Didn't even need the other files. Well, since I got it open, it should be under update bullets. Is that where I put it? Bullets. Create plate. Okay, so I did put that in the right spot by chance. Okay. Well, let's save it now that I removed that one space. And I'm going to run it again. We're still getting errors though. Let's take a look at line. Wait, object to wait. Cancel that and go to the other file. Save it. And then do something. Am I really missing something? What am I missing? See, the error is Pygame.surface object has no attribute width. Where's Pygame? Hold up. Is there a find function? Yes, there is. All right. Saying that I'm Googling this. Or DuckDuckGoing this.
Shining, darkness goes so bright. You once told me I'd have to dim my lights. My mystic being, held by gravity. I almost let you hold me back from everything. Oh, me and my shadow learn to let go.
Oh, this is saying I have an indentation goofed.
You shot my conscience, flew up to the sky.
Well, okay.
You still giving, but now I'd ask you why.
But where do I have that? I mean, that's what that should look like. Yep, that's fine. Alright, well, let's check these lines that it's pointing out. Line 110. Is that supposed to be like that? Maybe this is this. I can't remember if that's supposed to be. I should be saving copies of these files, like, after each. Now I'm wondering if I somehow messed that up. Oh, that looks fine. Oh, you know what? I wonder if this is it. That looks like a mistake. No, that's not a mistake. That's exactly what it's supposed to be. Let's see, what about line 90? What is line 92? Alien equals alien. That's, you know what? Here's, I just had a thought. Dude, I have a feeling I misspelled aliens maybe somewhere. Alien, 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 alien. And I was talking at the beginning of the stream, like, maybe if I just keep going, I can finish this chapter. Here I am, still stuck on the first 3 pages. Self.create that, let's see. Self.create, or underscore create 8 underscore fleet, open and close parentheses. And that's what that's supposed to look like. this is annoying.
I can hear your laughter coming waves across the shore. Oh, maybe you could fly my kite, babe. Maybe you could fly my kite, babe. I can hear your laughter coming waves across the shore. Oh, maybe you could fly my kite, babe. Maybe you could fly my kite, babe. We could be together, you're the one I'm looking for. Oh, maybe you could fly my kite, babe. Maybe you could fly my kite, babe. We could be together, you're the one I'm looking for. Oh, maybe you could fly my kite, babe. Maybe you could fly my kite, babe. Fly my kite, 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 fly my kite. Maybe you could fly my kite, babe. Fly my kite, 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 fly my kite. Maybe you could fly my kite, babe.
I really must be missing something here because I can display that flip. Yeah, it should be at the end here. Because there, can that affect that in tab that I didn't see? No, that's not it. Sabotage. You're right. This is terrible. Anyway, I'll hang on muted for the view, but I'm watching something else at the moment. Well, thank you. I don't know if it actually counts if it's muted. I've heard that it doesn't, but what I've done to get around that in the past is just mute the tab. But I mean, yeah, not that you have to do anything that the way you want to, you know, or the way I want. Like, yeah, just do what you want to do. You know, you don't have to hang out here if you don't want to. Alright, I'm comparing what the file should look like side by side with mine, which already has differences, little things here and there. So let's see, create alien. Wait, where do I have? There's code that what? I'm getting confused at the code that's gonna go in here. Wait, are we gonna... You know, I'm just gonna run this just to see what it'll do. Oh, gee. Okay. So that's what it's going to look like. I just gotta figure out how to get there. Let's see, gonna go back up to def init. So that's self.aliens equals pygame.sprite group. I am not seeing anything wrong. Let's look at their alien.py file. Okay. So import pygame from pygame.sprite, import sprite class, alien, sprite, init, self AI underscore game, super init, self.screen equals AI game dot screen. Load images / alien.bmp self.ref equals self. Wait, hold up. Wait, this is different. Why is this different? Is this something we change later? Self.rect equals AI game.screen. Is that in the original? No. I apparently... Okay. Well, that could be an issue. And I looked over that code too. Self.image.getRect because I just got wrecked. And then self.rect.x equals self.rect.width, self.rect.y equals self.rect.height, self.x equals float, self.rect.x. Okay, so I'm going to save this. Okay. Ah, that's not what I wanted. Okay. Got that saved. I'm going to run this code. No errors! That was it! Yay! What I'm learning is I make stupid mistakes. Pew, pew, pew. Okay. Demise says, no errors. Hype. Everyone makes stupid mistakes. That's just programming. Okay. It's still... I copied the code wrong. Literally had to just character by character copy it from the book. And I didn't, and that was my mistake. I copied half a line wrong. I am not a smart man. Okay, so what is next? Building the alien fleet. Alright, we need to figure out how many aliens can fit across the screen and how many rows of aliens can fit down the screen. We'll first figure out the horizontal spacing between aliens and create a row, then we'll determine the vertical spacing and create an entire fleet. To figure out how many aliens fit in a row, let's look at how much horizontal space we have. Screen width is stored in settings, that screen width, but we need an empty margin on either side of the screen. And make this margin the width of one alien because we have two margins. The available space for aliens is the screen width minus two aliens. And they give a formula for that here, but it's unclear if I'm supposed to be adding that. Oh, they show. Okay, so I'm gonna need get a little head here. We'll flip these around here just because I like working on the one. I like the one I'm working on to be on the left. Okay. So we also need to set up spacing between aliens. We'll make it one alien width. The space needs to display one alien twice its width, one width for the alien and one width for the empty space to its right. To find the number of aliens that fit across the screen, we divide the available space by 2 times the width of an alien. We use floor division, which divides two numbers and drops any remainder. So we'll get an integer number of aliens. We'll use the calculations when we create the fleet. Okay. More coding now. Oh my goodness, it's been 45 minutes already. I feel like I haven't done anything. I put one alien into the game. It took me 45 minutes to do that. Okay. Create fleet. So we're just not even going to have this comment anymore. Wait. Alien equals alien. Self, that's still in there. Self that aliens. Is that line in there? Okay, so this is almost like a whole new thing. Okay. The further you get, the faster it will go. The beginning is always the slowest part. True. I really haven't been doing that much Python, so I'm sure that's not helping. Okay, I need some water. Create in The stuff you do at the start of the development of something builds up the foundation for the rest. So progress is slower at the start. Wait, did I read that already? No, I did not. Wait, I don't even mean because of experience. The stuff... Okay, I'm just reading the start order. So Demise says, I don't even mean because of experience. The stuff you do at the start of the development of something builds up the foundation for the rest. So progress is slower at the start. Okay, yeah, that makes sense. There I go doing the wrong line again. Okay. Save it and run. Hey, that's a row of aliens. It worked. Ha, missed. Okay. Refactoring, create fleet. If the code we've written so far was all we need to create a fleet, we'd probably leave create fleet as is, but we have more work to do, so let's clean up the method a bit. We'll add a new helper. Okay. Create. Oh no, we need create first row aliens. Range number X. Okay, so we want me to add. Oh wait, that's right. That's got to be brought back. Like that we need. Zip. Then alien X, alien X, and self aliens. These all got to be brought back. Save it. And we're adding rows. We gotta add some rows here. So under create fleet. And we gotta put alien self. Okay, we need to add alien width. Alien height equals alien dot rectangle size. Number of aliens. Next, now we need to keep losing my spot here every time I look up and down from the screen. Wait, am I supposed to be leading? Hold up for... I might not need this code anymore. I'm just going to comment this stuff out here, so I'm not sure if we need it anymore. Looks like it's supposed to be not there, so I'm just commenting it out because I don't want to delete it and then find out I need it and have to go back and figure out and type it all out again. Right, create a full fleet of aliens. Full-on invasion. Almost like that's the name of the game. Haha. For row and range. I need like a... Okay. I keep losing my place, so I'm putting a card so I can see where to look. Number, row, for alien, and oh, Oh, okay. So no, I am not. So delete that. Okay. So I just need to. And oh, I just have it. Okay, for alien. Range X. Okay. Self create alien. Okay, and I can use this as well. So if I just do that, I get self dot underscore create underscore alien open parenthesis alien number comma row number. Okay. Now I gotta come down to create alien. So it's self, comma, alien number, comma, row. Okay.
Everybody knows my name, shit. I'ma have this whole fucking game list, spitting with the same wit. And I'm gonna be famous. Ain't nobody able to delay this.
I am skipping ahead of the music. Okay. Row number, and then under alien, so do. Oh wait, hold on. No, I'm not. No, I'm not adding a new line. I'm modifying a line that already exists. Okay. I didn't get too far there. Alien width. Alien height. And I gotta change that to size. Okay. And here I will add a line though. Right? Yes. Okay. Okay, let's save it. Let's test it. Expected and indented block. Oh, well, that's an easy. Is that? Yep, that's okay. That's an easy one there. Let's save it and try that again. Nope, getting errors. Okay. Start the shell. It says the name number row is not defined, which is, where did I put that? Wait, what line is that? That's 105. Find line. Go to line 105. I'm sorry, I have no idea how to say that name. Tehgoo. Tag Goocher. You can call me Gooch for short. Hey Gooch. Hey Demise. Well, welcome Gooch. Thanks for hanging out. How are you tonight? Finally got a chance to catch one of these streams. Well, I'm glad you got it. You found a time to do it. Thank you for coming by. Doing well. How are you? I'm doing well. I'm doing great. Glad you're doing well as well. All right. I have an error to find, though. So. What was I doing? I needed to go to. Okay, so for row number, range number row. Oh, it's supposed to be number rows. Forgot an S. Yep. One S. Broke the whole thing. Sounds like you need a hammer. That looks like a hammer. A bop. It's a bop. Yes, the code needs a bop. Okay. Fun. All right. I'm gonna stop the shell here. Okay. So, oh gee, where was I even in the book? In this next section, we're gonna make the fleet move. Ooh, exciting. I gotta find the settings, that py file here. Just need one moment. Okay, here's settings, and I'm gonna need to add to all right. Okay. Oh, there's a little section before we get to the fleet section. They don't give me the code, but they have a try it yourself. They challenge you to find an image of a star and make a grid of stars appear on the screen. And then they remind you that you can use you can do a randomizer on it to make it look a little bit. InfoSec Todd, thank you for the follow. That means a lot to me. Hang out, enjoy the stream. How are you today, InfoSec Todd? Okay. Sorry, I'm getting kind of comfortable. I'm trying to get more comfortable here. I currently have a broken toe, so trying to get comfortable takes a little bit extra effort right now. InfoSec Todd, great. About to start a HTB. I'm assuming you mean Hack the Box, and a Hack the Box session. That sounds great. I need to get at some point. I'm going to be doing Hack the Box. I'm going to be doing it. Yes. Okay. So my assumption is correct. I want to do Hack the Box on here. I'm gonna need. I'm doing a little bit of Try Hack Me right now, just doing their like introductory courses. I think I've done a couple here on the stream already. So yeah, I just need. And then there was. I just saw on Twitter today. Let me find it. No, let me find this on Twitter real quick. Okay. On Twitter, there was a thing I saw posted, and I retweeted it, which was a free introduction to Capture the Flags course by Hoppers Roppers. Yeah, I'm not sure if I said that right, but if you go to my Twitter, it's like, I don't know, 3 or 4 down, 3 tweets, 3 or 4 tweets down. I retweeted Differ Diva because she's the one who originally tweeted it. So just look for that. But yeah, I'm gonna take that just to get a better idea of what how to do CTFs, because I haven't done a whole lot of them, and then I plan on doing some hack the box that way. So should be a good time. It's gonna be more watching me struggle though, probably. I missed the meta CTF from yesterday. I do not know what the meta CTF is. Is that associated with a conference or an organization or some group? Raging Ergophy. I think I probably got that wrong. Thank you for following. How are you doing tonight? Asterisk. Oh. Did you type asterisk, or was that censored somehow? I don't know. Does my chat censor stuff? I'm dropping my phone. Oh my goodness. I dropped my phone and I have no idea where it went. Oh, there it is. Probably a link that got sent. Oh, that makes sense. Now that I think about it, I may have disabled link sharing in my chat. Because I know there's I've seen people who have just come into chats and started spamming. So if it was like google.com, just put brackets around the dot. So it'd be Raging, doing great. Also learning Python, so picking up live coders to subscribe to you. Well, thank you for subscribing. It means a lot to me. Thank you for watching. Right now, I don't think I've mentioned this all stream yet. I'm just assuming that the people watching you were watching the previous 2 streams. I am using a no starch press book right now. It's called Python Crash Course, a hands-on project-based introduction to programming. It's the 2nd edition, and like the first half of it, which I did not read at all, is it just teaches you how to use Python. I went through another course to learn stuff like that, so I skipped right to the second half of this book. And where there are 3 projects in the back, and I'm on the first project, which is just creating this alien invasion game. And so yeah, so far that's going pretty well. I keep hitting errors and thinking, oh, this is where it's gonna end. I'm never gonna figure it out, and then I figure it out, and everything's good. So let's see. InfoSec Todd, looks like you're still trying to post a link or something. It keeps censoring it out. Raging, get all new followers by going to so-and-so Russ. Yes, absolutely. Got to go to the place to get all the followers that are probably fake accounts and gonna be deleted by Twitch in not that long, anyways. Gooch. All I see is Hunter 2. Ha. Demise. Tagging. Raging. It's big follows 100% of the time, which is awful convenient. You can just tell Nightbot to time out for that word, and it'll catch all the spam bots. MetaCTF.com. Okay, that's one way to do it. I guess I'll look at that real quick. MetaCTF.com. Compete, hack, learn, request a demo. Oh, it's like I guess it's just a company that does CTFs. They do workshops and events and recruiting. That's neat. Yeah, never heard of them before. I'm guessing that that's something you gotta pay for then. Okay, let's neither did I until I saw John Hammond post about them. I've heard of John Hammond. I don't think I've actually watched any of his content, but I've heard of him. I've got a link to his YouTube on my website, which, by the way, levelupinfosec.com, which I do have on the screen. I do link to a bunch of resources, stuff that won't cost you any money, to help you learn any tech or cyber security type. Well, I shouldn't say any topic, but a lot of them. There's a lot of stuff on there. So go ahead and check that out if you're looking to learn something. I'm pretty sure they had a free CTF this weekend. His content is good, so is the Cyber Mentor. I've watched the Cyber Mentor stuff. He is pretty good. I do have his practical ethical hacking class, but I haven't gone through it. I bought it almost a year ago now, and I still haven't gone through it. I will at some point. I'm just trying to get focused more on certifications and getting some scripting, coding skills under my belt first. Just trying to do things in order that, not just jump right to, to that one thing. I'm trying to get a more rounded education, self-taught education type thing here. But at some point I'm going to do that course. He does have a lot of good content, though. And he has his Twitch, he has his YouTube, he has his Udemy classes. I like Cyber Mentor. I'm going to get back to the coding, though. Chat really took off there. Wow. Alright, alien settings. So, why am I doing that? Okay. Speed. Okay, alien speed. Alright, and then we need to go to aliens.py. Should still have open right here. And what do we need to add to it? Self.screen. Where's that at? Okay. So add line. Settings. Okay, game settings. And I think I gotta go all the way to end here. Def update Okay. Okay. And what else do I got to do here? Oh, we need to go to alieninvasion.py. For the init. Okay. Cybermentor has a couple hours of Python in the course you mentioned. Yes, I have seen that. Which I'm guessing is geared specifically toward things that can help with ethical hacking. So I'll probably go through it just to see if there's... I'm sure there's going to be overlap with what I already know, which is fine. Reminders of some things that I've already learned is never a bad thing. So I'll go through it. But I'm sure there's going to be a lot of things in there that I didn't know anyways. So yeah, I'm looking forward to completing that whenever I get around to it. I'm trying to... I just don't... As someone who isn't... I'm not looking to become a penetration tester. I mean, maybe that'll change one day. Maybe I'll change my mind and be like, okay, I want to be a penetration tester. But right now I don't. So I'm focusing more on like blue side instead of red. Blue side being defense, red side being attack. So I just passed my CompTIA cybersecurity analyst cert, the CISA Plus. So yeah, that's kind of my focus right now. I thoroughly enjoyed that course. That's what I keep seeing. People on Twitter seem to really enjoy that course, and then his people who review the course too. You can see those comments. People seem to really like it. Blue is fun. It looks fun. I have that one. Oh, the certification. Okay. Did you... I'm guessing you took the CY0-001, which is the one I took. It was a decent exam. Yeah, it was a lot of good stuff in there. I learned a lot there, so I'm glad I did it. So I'm glad I passed too. I did not think I'd actually pass it, but I had already paid for it, so I figured might as well use it. Latho90, I'm just gonna call you Lath. Welcome, Lath. Thanks for the follow. Thanks for stopping by. Hope you enjoy the stream. How are you doing tonight? I took the Beta 002 back in October of last year, and it was awarded in April of this year. I was thinking about doing it back then, but I'm kind of glad I didn't. I mean, I guess it would have only been $50, so it wouldn't have been a huge loss. But still, that's really cool. I had a chance to do the beta for the Linux Plus, but it kind of interfered. It was around the same time I was buying a house, and I just did not have the time for it, unfortunately. That's like a 3-hour exam or something like that. And yeah, that's the only reason I took it. $50 is nothing. Yeah. Well, to some people, $50 is a lot. It's not nothing, but it wouldn't hurt me that much to lose the $50. So, but yeah, nice little exam. So studying for it was very interesting, and a lot of stuff that I didn't know before that I know now. So yeah, I'm gonna go for the Security Plus next. Though I'm just taking a break from studying from certs. I think I'll probably start up again next month. I'll get my Security Plus. There's a lot of overlap there, so that one shouldn't be too hard. Okay, where was I? Alien invasion. Okay, so while true, we need to add self update aliens. Save it. Let's look at the next screen. Do I have more code to add? Yes. Okay, we need to go to update bullets. And under this one, we will put the update aliens. Okay. Positions. Save that code. And let's go to, needs me to go to settings here. Okay, I need to find alien settings. I need to add to it. Alright, we will save that. Checking whether an alien has hit the edge. So we need to go to alien file here. And we're going to update from here. Oh, there's more to add. Where do I gotta add that? Move the alien right. Or left. Self.x plus equals. Oh, I gotta put these in parentheses here. Speed. Self. I think that's all I gotta do. Okay, so the next part is dropping the fleet and changing direction. Okay. So we gotta go to alien invasion, and we need to. When an alien reaches the edge, the entire fleet needs to drop down and change direction. Therefore, we need to add some code to alien invasion, because that's where we'll check whether any aliens are at the left or right. At the edge, right or left edge. We'll make this happen by writing the methods check fleet edges and change fleet direction, and then modifying update aliens. I'll put these new methods after create alien. So we want create alien, which is here. It's kind of weird that update aliens is after create aliens, but I guess, I don't know. I'm not going to mess with that. I'm going to assume that's, I think it's working. Actually, I have no idea. I've been doing a lot here without testing, but oh well. I'm just going to finish. Oh, then on the next page, the instructions are going to tell me to run the new code. Okay. I might just test it after this bit here, but anyways, so we need to go to create alien, and we're going to excuse me. I'm going to add the new code here. Wait. Nope, I'm doing something wrong here. Reading off the wrong line like I keep doing. For alien and self. You know what? Wait, I think I might have had this right actually. Wait, Dev change fleet direction. Dropped entire fleet in direction for alien. I need the card again. For alien himself dot aliens dot sprite. Okay. Equals self settings fleet drop speed. Settings okay. So dropping the fleet and changing direction. And oh, we need to make some changes to update alien. Okay. Update the... Oh, I just really want to change this whole thing, don't they? Oh, okay. So check if the fleet is at an edge. Then update the positions of all the aliens in the fleet. So self, then, okay. There we go. So, check. Delete. Edges. And save. Okay, I've put a lot of code down here since the last time we run this. So let's see what happens. Oh my goodness, it works. Interesting how everything seems to speed up, be more speedy when I'm not firing a laser. And those ships are just gonna go on right past me. Okay. Where did the... Okay. There we go. Okay, so that's cool. Now we gotta shoot the aliens. Because now they're hostile instead of just passing me up. So we gotta detect bullet collisions. So under update bullets, we need to Um. Oh, you know what? Right. This is all one line. Okay, I thought that looked weird. Just so long in the book, it needed a second line. So I thought I needed a second line there. So, okay, so that's spelled right. And dot. Right. Dot. Group. Collide. And then self bullets. Self aliens. let's see. Well, let me. I'll wait.
Push me down to the ground. What goes around comes around. You won't put the flame out. You can't get to me. Say what you wanna say. Go take it all away. But I'm here to stay. No, you can't get to me. And there is no barricade that I can tear away.
Almost there.
Shoot me down, we'll fire away, away. But I'm a heavyweight. I'm a heavyweight. I'm a heavyweight. I'm a heavyweight.
There we go. Okay, so no problems there. Very good. Restart show. And let's just go back and fix that in settings. Okay. Repopulating the fleet. Oh, that's because we don't have enough aliens. So I need to go to okay, one key feature of alien invasions is that aliens are relentless every time the fleet is destroyed. A new fleet should appear. To make a new fleet of aliens appear after a fleet has been destroyed, we first check whether the aliens group is empty. If it is, we make a call to create fleet. We'll perform this check at the end of update bullets because that's where individual aliens are destroyed. So we need to go to update bullets, which is right here on the screen already. Def update bullets snip if not self dot aliens, and let's say destroy existing bullets and create new fleet. Self dot bullets dot empty self create fleet. Okay. And we'll save that. Speeding up the bullets. If you've tried firing at the aliens in the game's current state, you might find that the bullets aren't traveling at the best speed for gameplay. I'd say they're not traveling at all. They might be a little slow on your system or way too fast. At this point, you can modify the settings to make the gameplay interesting and enjoyable on your system. You modify the speed of the bullets by adjusting the value of bullet speed in settings. And he changes it to 1.5. What happened to settings? Oh, I went to that screen. Clearing out some stuff on my screen here so this is less confusing. Okay, so now I'm going to change the bullet speed to 1.5. save that. Even though right now in its current condition that's not going to do much, I just want to make the adjustment anyways. Okay. Refactoring update bullets. So I'm gonna that one. Okay. So bullets setting. Oh no, I'm looking down here now. Define update bullets. Okay, so I need to. Wants me to create a new line? Oh, under this. Okay. And it wants me to save that. Scroll down a little here so you can see. Oh, I'm supposed to be adding this to something that already exists. For collision, where did I just put? Okay, this is going to take me a moment here. Am I in the right file even? Yes. Wait, so... why am I putting... What? Why am I making a whole new freaking thing? Def update bullets. It doesn't help that I have to keep flipping the page to see this. So wait, so it wants this to be get rid of bullets that disappear. I'm just so confused right now. Okay, so it wants me to move basically all this under that. Am I reading that right? Or does it want all of this? Get rid of bullets that have disappeared. Now I'm just really confused. Okay, so it wants the collision equals Pygame sprite. It wants that line. So I'm just going to cut it. And I'm just going to put it right. So I'm going to hit enter and we're going to paste that in. See, they have this grayed out though, which means I shouldn't be changing this, so I know I'm doing something wrong here. And then if not aliens, or yeah, if not self aliens, it's empty. Yeah, and it wants this too, so I'm gonna cut this. I guess I just leave it like that. Okay, well, I guess that's how it's supposed to be. Actually, I need to add an enter line there. Okay, well, I am now really confused, but what is this supposed to be doing? Refactoring, update bullets. I guess let's just make sure this still runs. Those are just comments. I'm just going to ignore that. Let's see how badly broken this is. It's not! Oh my goodness. Yep, still with that issue. Okay, so it's still... It just makes it easier for the code to run, I guess. I don't understand that part of it. That's fine. That's fine. Everything's fine. Okay, that's enough. Okay, so the code still runs. I guess it's the way it's supposed to be. Ending the game. Detecting alien ship and ship collisions. Oh, wait, there's a try it yourself. Oh, okay. I don't want to do that. Alright, so now we want to detect alien and ship collision. Oh, okay, so the ship, if the ship touches the ship, which right now it's not going to work because Desperzo Danet, that's okay, that was a really long name. Desprezo underscore do ente underscore do underscore Twitter. Welcome to the stream. Thank you for the follow. Stick around. Hope you enjoy the stream. How are you doing tonight? Alright, so we need to look for update aliens. That's right here. And we need to, let's see, self aliens updates. And look for alien ship collisions. Print ship hit. Okay. Alright, so that was detecting it. Now we need a response. Okay. Let's write a new class. Game stats to track game statistics and save it as game stats. Okay. So now we need to make a new file. And we need to save that. Need to put that as game stats. Okay. And class game stats. Track statistics for alien invasion. I already have the quotation marks. Okay. Okay. Oh my goodness, we're actually almost done with this chapter. There's like 4 pages left. Okay, we might actually. I think we're actually gonna finish this tonight. What time is it? 8:11 p.m. Okay. I am gonna go to the end of this chapter. Now I need to go see some of the other files. Let's go to settings. And we need to add a ship limit. So, where's the ship settings? There. Self.ship limit equals 3. And we'll save that. Water good. At some point I'll get my webcam set up on this with the green screen and everything. I won't have to explain everything I'm doing and why it's just quiet and nothing's happening on the screen. Not happening though right now. Or tomorrow. I'll be streaming tomorrow as well, by the way. What's this about? That noise you hear is my pager, but I'm not on call, so I'm getting pages that are not related to me. And if I don't answer them, they'll keep ringing. And it'll get super annoying, so I have to check it. Okay. And now I need to... Oh, I need to go all the way to the top and add from time import sleep. I want to add another... Oh, and then from settings, from game stats, import game stats. And then under the init, we need to go to Pygame display set caption. Okay. And we'll need a comment. Create an instance to store game state. I don't feel like typing out the whole word. It's a comment, doesn't matter. Self dot stats equal game stats. Okay. We will save that. We need to make a new method. Call this method from update aliens. So let's go to update aliens. Okay. I'm just trying to figure out now where exactly I'm supposed to put this. See, self.aliens that update in this example anywhere. I do not see that. I'm gonna assume it means right after this. So, oh wait, or should it be?
Took a second chance, trusted you again. I feel shattered. Broken strings, 'cause you play me like a violin. Shame on me for all your 7 deadly sins. Had it all, but you craved attention. Drowning in your own reflection. Put me down just to see me get back up again. 6 feet under and you're ready to give all the pain. If I was your new addition, you make me part of your equation. Shattered from the past.
Demise. Yay, useless pages. Yes, demise. It shows me what code to create. It doesn't show me exactly where to insert it though. I just know it has to go somewhere under here. I don't know that. I'm assuming that somewhere in here. Does it go like? Do I have to create a new line here? Or maybe I have to create the new line here, or maybe it's after this or before this. I don't know. I do not know. I'm just looking at it and trying to decide what makes most sense here.
Took back in the summer. I thought that I would remember how we used to feel, but this isn't real. Now we're over.
I'm just gonna,
Take it all,
let's see.
there's nothing left here anyway. We used to talk, but now we don't know what to say.
I'm gonna cheat and look at the project files that I downloaded.
Tried you like goodbye.
Cause this does, I'm just not sure, and I just don't want to play a guessing game. There's stuff I want to get done tonight after this stream, and I don't want to be guessing for the next 30 minutes. So we are in the what section? We're ending the game. Okay. So, and this is the alien invasion, and I'm going to look at this code, and I want to go to update aliens. Update. Ships collision if pi game dot sprite that's alien self dot ship dot hit. What? According to the finished file, it looks nothing like what this page is describing.
This ain't a life's too short to be holding this tight. So why am I walking like
Okay, so it's saying, gee, I don't even have these in the right order.
light and color? I'm not afraid of the night when this future's so bright. Yeah, I got all these friends and we're like, it's not the end. Whoa. Still well,
You know what? I'm gonna go over all this real quick because I'm just adding up problems here. So there's the class. Okay, define init. Okay, that's fine. Next is define run game. I'm just checking each section to see if I'm in check run game. Okay, run game. Okay, check events. Check key down events. Check key down events. Check key up events. Key up events. Fire bullets. Update bullets. Check bullet alien collision. Check bullet alien collision. Update aliens. create fleet. Nope. So let's see. Update aliens. Update aliens. And the next one is. Wait, do I have a check aliens bottom? No. Okay, so that's something that's probably going to get added in the next couple of pages. Yep, that's the next page. Okay, so we're skipping that. So ship hit. Is that something I'm creating here? Yep, that is something I am. So, okay. Okay, so we're gonna do that code right here. Like this. Okay, ship, hit. And then I'm gonna end up putting another one between update aliens and ship hit. Sound like I'm saying ship it. Okay. Sorry, I had to quickly stretch there. So also I do all 6 quotation marks at once there, because if I don't, see how it makes everything green? I don't like that. Alright. And then I'll add the text respond to the ship being hit by an alien. And detriment ships. Oh, random question for the people in viewing and are in chat. Just out of curiosity, has anyone seen Don't Fuck with Cats on Netflix? I watched it last night, and holy shit, was that like a crazy, mind-blowing, like true story documentary type of thing. It's like 3 episodes, so it's like it's like a 3-hour thing. I watched it with the intention of just watching 1 episode last night, but there I absolutely just, after seeing the first episode, just had to keep watching. And it was recommended me because it was a great example of how you can use open source intelligence to find someone. And in this case, they're trying to find this person on the internet who, he kills cats and records it and then put the video online. And these people were looking for him. I won't really get further into the details because I don't want to spoil it. I'm just curious if anyone's seen it and what they thought about it, without spoilers. True story. And if you haven't seen it, go see it. It's on Netflix. Don't fuck with cats. Self.aliens.empty. Self.bullets.empty. Delete and center the ship. I guess no one's seen it. And now we need to go to. Well, let's save it. Save the code. Demise. Nope, haven't seen it. It really draws you in. Yeah, I couldn't not know what happens next. Update aliens. Where's update aliens? There it is. So now it makes me want to just completely delete. I never even tested it with that line in there, so I don't get why we ever put it in the first place unless it was just a placeholder if I did want to test it. Ship. Hit. And then we'll save it. We gotta go to the ship file. Did I even open that one today yet? Nope. I gotta find. And edit. Bottom of this. And I think that's what I said. Here's the new method, center ship. Add it to the end of ship. Okay, yeah, so we're going to do center ship self. Okay. Wait, oh yeah, right.
So fall from the stars into my arms if you're ready to fly. Yeah, I'll never let you go. Whoa, oh, oh, oh. I would believe if I could see the look in your eyes. It's not what it seems. This isn't a dream. It's a wonderful life. So fall from the stars into my arms if you're ready to fly.
Okay. And that will center the ship after it resets. Set it right at the bottom center there. If an alien reaches the bottom of the screen, we'll have the game respond the same way it does when the alien hits the ship. To check when this happens, add a new method in Alien Invasion. Working out of 6 different files at this point. So we need to def check alien. See, okay, this is not telling me where to put it. It gives me all the code. So I need to. This is the one that I brought up before. Looking at trying to find where I'm supposed to put the other one. So it needs to go under update aliens. So we're gonna. It doesn't say that in the book though, and I don't like that. just on the off chance, I know this is very unlikely, but the off chance you have the computer and the book, but not internet, you can't get these extra files. That kind of bothers me. Check aliens. Bottom. Okay. Check if any aliens have reached the bottom of the screen. Screen. Get wrecked. Still funny. 4 alien. And we need to go up to here. And let's go. And now we need to add a game over. Save that. Let's go to game stats. I'm going to assume that means I need to add this right here. It's not very clear.
The summer's calling. If the kingdom is overthrown, meet me at the cornerstone. I know that I can't be without you. This bond is solid gold. We're a diamond and an emerald. It took me forever to find you. 'Cause when it's all over, the love that you give will be there to guide you in every way. Now we've been through the cold and darkest days. The summer's calling.
here we need to add, this is the last page, I've got like 4 lines to add here. Respond. Oh, okay, so I need to, okay. If self stats ships left 0, I need to
As we wait for the smoke to clear and we watch our dreams appear, I know that we can rise together.
okay, I need to indent this whole thing, so
This vision that we share is ours.
do
Together
that.
we can touch the stars. I know
This
that
I
we
do
will
understand.
see
Okay.
December.
Else.
When it's all over, the love that you give
Oh.
will
So
be there to guide you
stat
in every way. Now we
game active equals false.
the summer's calling.
Save it. Identifying when parts of the game should run. We need to identify the parts of the game that should always run and the parts that should only run when the game is active. Define run game. Do I even have it? Wait. That doesn't even sound familiar. Oh, okay. That is in there. Okay. I just haven't done anything with that part in a while. Self.check events and if self.stat stats.game active, and they actually want you to separate that out. And these 3 lines are going to get indented. And that's the last line I need to add. So the only thing left, and there's a summary, but we'll have to, demise. I am so used to programming with auto-completion. Not having any auto-completion seems like torture. Well, I'm willing to put myself through that torture because right now I'm just really, really focused on trying to learn all this. Is that something that is just included with the with Python idle, whatever this is called? I don't know if that's something that needs to be enabled or not, but I'm sure as I learn more stuff, I'll realize, that'll be good to use and just have that on all the time. Or do you use a different... I've never used idle. What do you use then? I just use idle because that's what the course I took used, and it seems simple enough. And now I know it has a dark mode. So that's another reason. Okay, I'm going to run this. It's probably going to break. No! It's actually running. Okay, I'm sure the bullets still are messed up though. Yeah, bullets are still broken. So I'm going to have to investigate why that is the case. Demise, Sublime, Atom, VS Code all have a certain amount of auto-completion built in. There are definitely plugins to make it smarter. I don't do a lot of Python though, so I'm not sure what the options are there. Oh, it just reaches the bottom and resets. That'd be me losing a life then. How about that? Vendor IRL. Autocomplete and with structures are really nice. I'm sure at some point I will want to use that. Right now, just for the sake of learning though. I'm going to keep that part off. I've used a few different programs for like code and stuff, and I don't know, some of them, getting used to some of them was just felt awkward to me, felt weird. And so far Idle hasn't. So autocomplete doesn't hinder learning, it just makes it less infuriating. Is it infuriating you watching me? LOL. Alright. Theory, this should be... So it's just going to keep doing this. I thought it's supposed to end after 3 times that the ships reach. It's just way faster to program things when you don't have to constantly remember exactly what names you used for things. Oh, yeah, that makes sense. By the way, hello Bender, how are you doing tonight? Okay, well the code is working. Other than the code works, it's not working the way I want it to work with the bullets. So I'm gonna have to figure that out. So what are we at? Good, watching It Too. Ooh. I still need to watch those movies. I've heard good things. Oh, I've heard good things about the first one. I don't know if the second one is as good, but some point, forever from now, I'll probably get it. I got a stack of movies I want to watch, and those are on the list, the imaginary list I have in my head. Alright, summary. In this chapter, you learned how to add a large number of identical elements to a game by creating a fleet of aliens. You used nested loops to create a grid of elements, and you made a large set of game elements move by calling each element's update method. You learned to control the direction of objects on the screen and to respond to specific situations, such as when the fleet reaches the edge of the screen. You detected and responded to collisions when bullets hit aliens and aliens hit the ship. You also learned how to track statistics in the game and used game active flag to determine when the game is over. In the next and final chapter of this project, we'll add a play button so the player can choose when to start their first game and whether to play again when the game ends. We'll speed up the game each time the player shoots down the entire fleet, and we'll add a scoring system. The final result will be a fully playable game. Oh boy. So what I want to do here, before we move on to the next chapter, I'm going to see if I can figure out what exactly is wrong here with my code. So I'm gonna, first of all, let's stop running this. Let's see, that's chapter 13. And I just closed the book. What was the last part of that? Was it just ending the game? Yeah, ending the game. Okay, so that's the folder I need to look in. Ending the game, and let's look at, I'm going to compare these one at a time here. Dead Leftovers, thank you for the follow. Thanks for checking out the stream too. How you doing tonight? What book? I am, okay, so this is Python crash course, a hands-on project-based introduction to programming. It's found on Amazon, or it's a no starch press book. Where's my browser? You know what? I'll just do a search for it here so people can see. No starch press Python crash course. Yeah, I have the same book. LOL. Oh, okay. Alright, so this is the book that I've been going over these projects. I just completely skipped the first half of the book that just covers all the how to use Python, since I already did a course this year covering that. I went straight to the back to the projects, which is, I don't know, projects were, what chapter did that start? Did I say chapter 12, I think? Was it 11 or 12? I'm trying to find. I think it's 12. Yeah. Yeah, project 1 is chapter 12. So I skipped the first 11 chapters of this book, and I'm just doing the last chapters of it, which is 3 different projects. And it's going pretty well. I'm dealing with one error right now where when I run the alien invasion, I can shoot the ships and the bullets will delete the ships. The bullets just do not go forward. Or not forward, but go up. They just stay in place, and I don't know why. So I'm just, right now, I'm trying to compare my code with the project code. So, there's just, let's see, there's 106. Oh no, I have just over 200 lines. So 203 lines of code here. Oh no, that's the project file. Let's go to my project file, and that is, somehow I have an extra 10 lines of code in here, and it still works. So I just wanted to compare this line by line. And okay, so this is, so on the left here is what I downloaded from No Starch Press, and on the right, this is the file I have created based on the steps in the book. Okay. Settings. Okay, so here's where 3 of those lines. How am I? Oh, so these are to make it full screen. So those are not extra lines. Well, it looks like one of them is an extra line. Which one is an extra line? Self-that settings, that screen. Oh, okay, so these are the 3 lines. So if I comment this one out and then uncomment these, so that's where that's where 1 extra line would be coming from then. Okay, so I wonder if that's part of the problem. You know what? I'm gonna try that out here. Let's comment that out. Okay, I'm gonna hit save, and let's run it. Let's see what it looks like when I do this. Maybe this makes it look better. Nope, it's still staying right in place. And oh, you can't see it anyways. Yeah, my Twitch stream does not match my screen resolution. My screen is a little bit bigger than your standard monitor, so Oh my goodness, I can't even escape that. There we go. So nope, that is not the problem. I am going to undo that change though. Okay. So that just makes it full screen. I don't want it full screen for now. I can change that later. Because I don't feel like changing my Twitch settings at the same time either. Alright, so now we go... Screen self. Ship, self to aliens. For whatever reason, that background color is not in here. So there's like I guess that's 3 lines right there. I'm just curious. Well, I'm just gonna leave it for now. Def run game. So, well, true. Self check if self ship. Ship update bullets, update aliens. Self update screen. So that all looks normal. Check events. This comment, I'm just gonna delete because that doesn't even line up. Oh no, that is not what I wanted to do. Okay, I'm going to delete that line. Okay. For event in game, for game event get. If event type equals piping quit, sys exit. Key down, press E. Event type piping key down. Self check key down. Event. Self check key up event. I'm gonna go through this whole thing and it's probably not even. I should probably have started with some of the smaller files to see if, like settings and bullets, to see if the issue is somewhere in there, because this going through these 200 lines, I'm sure I'm gonna. All right, check key down events. Respond to key presses. If key, event key equals pi game k right. Self ship moving right. True. Elif event key. Oh my goodness. So that must be a mistake right there. How this is working, I don't know. Because I could go left and that worked. Okay, that's... Okay, well, that's weird. So, let's see, elif key, event key, high gain, K left, self ship moving left equals true, event key, high gain, K, space. These are in... Oh, okay, so this... That's right, I did have that... I'm gonna move this. Actually, I'm not even sure if I need to... Okay. So I've got that switched around. So, previous I was unable to press Q to quit. I don't know if flipping that around makes a difference at all? You know what? I'm gonna save it. I'm gonna run it. Let's see what happens now. After all these changes, I should be testing. So firing, yeah, that still does that. If I press Q though, well, I guess that just kind of breaks it. It doesn't close it out. So I don't know if that was, I don't know. So I'm gonna restart shell. Okay, well, I have it how it's supposed to look. I don't know. I'm at 3 hours now. Well, that all looks right, so I'm gonna scroll up there, and then let's see, that was key down. Now I want key up, and I got an extra line here. Move the ship to the right. I'm just gonna delete that. Okay, so and this has I don't know what these are called. I don't know if there's an actual name for what these are in quotations. I'm just gonna add it just so I can. This is probably one of those things where, you know, we were adding code and I just missed it somewhere. If event.key equals pygame.k right, self ship moving right equals false. Elif event key. See, there's okay. So I put a comment in here saying I wasn't sure if that line stayed. So it's not in here. So I'm going to comment this out. I'm going to save it. And I'm going to run it. Let's see if... Well, it doesn't seem to be changing anything though. So... obviously I don't need it, so I'm going to delete it. Alright, and then fire bullet. If lens. Bullets. Allowed. Okay, new bullet equals self bullets. Add new bullet. That all looks right. Def update bullet self. Okay, this is probably where the problem is because it gets a little crazy here. Update bullet position. I'm gonna get rid of... Okay, so I'm just going to delete all these lines here. I guess this line should have, let's see, self.bullets.update. You know what? That looks like a line that would cause the bullets to not update, which would make sense. And now the rest of it kind of looks like it makes sense. Self bullets, and I think this line is just so in my shell over here it's telling me the number of bullets that are deployed. I'm gonna save this. Now let's run it. That was it. That was it right there. At least for the bullets moving part. So now I just gotta figure out why everything slows down when I fire. Which might not be a bad thing. Oh my goodness. Yeah, okay. I guess we're trying again. Holy crap, this is actually working. Okay, we got that. Oh my goodness. Yeah, it just like goes super speed once all the bullets disappear. One more. Okay. Cleared it. And they just come back. Alright, well, I have a somewhat functional game now. There's still a lot more there's one more chapter of stuff to add to it to kind of really just polish it out, but this is kind of awesome. Kind of want to modify it. Maybe I'll do like a Doctor Who thing or something. I don't know. That'd be pretty dope. There was something about adding stars and stuff to the background, which might be interesting. I'll have to look into that perhaps after I finish everything else. And then changing the background color too. It should really be like black because space. But yeah, this is pretty cool. Stop that there. Close that. What was I? Yeah, it was about halfway through the file. There might be more things that I have wrong. Obviously, I have something wrong, but because it still doesn't move at the right speeds. I'm gonna call it end of stream. Thank you for coming out. Thank you for coding and troubleshooting code and all that with me. So it's you stream 3 hours. That's pretty decent. Yep, I think that's my longest stream so far. Usually I'm just shy of 2 hours, so to go over 3 is it's the longest I've gone. Close out of everything. So yeah, thanks for coming out. Check out my website, levelupinfosec.com, where I have curated that list of a bunch of free resources across the internet if you're looking to learn certain topics. Also, where my blog is, which I'm currently working on a new post right now. I'm like halfway through it. I need to finish that. And I'll continue to add stuff to it. So check that out. Follow me on Twitter too, InfoSec Miles. You'll find a link on the website to that. So thank you everyone. Thank you for all the new follows. Thank you for watching, especially those of you who watched the entire stream or stayed until the end. Alright, good night everyone.